Almost everybody comes to Nijo Castle.
So this is Nijo Castle built by the Shogun in 1603. So there was a bloody battle in the year 1600 where the two groups of samurai family fought together. One leader of samurai family and their supporting samurai family, feudal lord's family. They fought and it was a huge samurai battle. And then the new Shogun family won the battle. The former Shogun family was located in Kyoto, but the new Shogun family was located in today's Tokyo. And they had a big, they built a big Shogun castle, and that's where the imperial people living right now, as I mentioned. He built this castle. So the moat is small compared to his big, real, main castle in Tokyo. And
one of my favorite books is Shogun by Clavel. And when you came in here, my Shogun book is based on the Tokugawa Shogun, and he's Toranaga on the book.
This is the original building that is still remaining from 400 years ago, and this is the garden that Shogun built.
Nijo Castle was built in 1603 under the supervision of the first Shogun, Ieyasu, as the accommodations for the Kyoto Imperial Palace Guards and also as his place of residence in Kyoto. The castle underwent extensions and renovations by the third Shogun, Ieyasu, in 1626, when it was built to its present size.
The color has been repainted, and also the cypress bark roof has been redone just this year. And this gate was originally transferred by a castle that used to belong to the former Shogun family. And after the bloody battle in 1600, the new Shogun family, Tokugawa family, they decided to take this beautiful gate from the castle because they thought, oh, it's so beautiful, and now we are in the power. I'm going to get, what we want.
Right. Yeah, it's all just been a little retouched, refurbished. The original part, 400 years. Still magnificent. There are no photographs or videoing allowed inside the palace itself, so I'm just showing you this is a structure of the Nightingale Floor. The pine trees are manicured by gardeners. They snip off teeny little bits, and as I understand, it takes more than a week to manicure one pine tree.
So high well, because they're just teenagers, they're still long, so they have to look like grown up. And then also
you can't get around.
They are the business card. They say which geisha district, the name.